like southwest side. You need to be dismounted like southwest side of your collar, okay? Because the cooldown is gonna be like along shit. So that's gonna be like exact fucking the same thing. So just dismount on top of your like literally like a little bit for like on top of your collar, okay? Not literally.
Especially yung mga DPS na on
Listen,
top talaga
listen,
sa
okay?
coin.
Listen mo. Walk. Listen, they're gonna turn the choke, okay? Listen, we're gonna pop your boots, okay? Listen. Hold on. Walk. Ready to pop your boots, okay? Listen, we're gonna pop our boots only. 3, 2, 1. Pop your boots only. Don't engage it. Listen. Listen. Ready. Push yourself. On 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch out. Listen. Ball towards southeast. Ball towards southeast. It's your west. Walk west. Ball towards west. Towards west side. Pressure against the west. Listen. Yeah. Got to. Spread. Listen, they're gonna engage soon, okay? Listen, no, stop them now. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the back here now. Watch out. I need more damage, boys. Pressure. Dash it. Listen, spread. Don't commit. Listen, Border gets to the west. Get out on the east side. They're gonna turn the east side. Defense. Listen, Border gets to the west. Listen, walks out. Pop your boots towards southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop your boots towards southeast. Listen, Otabas in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Otabas now. Border gets towards south. Border gets towards south. Defense. Go towards south. You need to push her towards south. Listen, after you engage, you need to push you. Don't overstand. Listen, spread. Border gets inside. Listen, walks out. Border gets inside, okay? Border gets inside. They have east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the east side down. On the DPS. Listen, Border gets towards southeast. Push. Walk southeast. Listen, boys, don't overstay. We're fighting brawls, man. Listen, just walk southeast. Walk southeast. Walk southeast. Hold them now. Yo, listen, careful west. Spread. Demons. Listen, walk west and spread. Spread now. Pushes if you have to, okay? Spread. They're gonna hit soon. Otabas, okay? Hold. Push us on the east. Help on the east side. Otabas in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the east side now. Yo, Jade. Listen. Comes out. Push through. Listen, if you're top, you need to walk, man. Listen, if you're pressure, you can brawl. Listen, walks out for now. Brother gets inside. This is walk. Walks out. Careful. Spread. Careful on the east side. They're coming in. Spread. Defense. Listen, Thomas in the east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Listen, keep walking east. Keep walking east. Heal up. Keep walking east. Keep walking east. Keep walking east. Come northeast. Away from the wall. Listen, away from the wall there, man. Come west. Walk west. Everything we've got, okay? Come west. Pop your foot south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southside now. Okay, listen. Spread. Come southwest. Comes out. Walks out. Actually, just spread. Spread on me. Spread on me. Don't run south. You're gonna get pressured, man. Listen, just hold on me. Play inside, Judy. Play inside, Judy. Come southeast. Listen, they're gonna be natural cut towards west, okay? In 5, west, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Listen. Walk towards southeast. Stop in the choke. Stop in the choke. Defense. Listen, just pull up. Pull up. Listen boys, if I say push through, just push through man. Just leave the guys even though they have low HP man. Let the brawlers fucking brawl.
Stop taking me, bro.
Na ano tayo kanina? Na out